Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook tuna steak perfectly. First, let's prepare. Choose fresh, high-quality tuna steaks, ideally about 1 inch thick. Pat them thoroughly dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving a beautiful crust. Then, season both sides generously with sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any herbs you love, like dried oregano or thyme. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious meal. Now, let's get to searing. Place a heavy-bottomed pan, like a cast iron skillet, over medium-high heat until it's very hot. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, such as grapeseed or avocado oil, ensuring it coats the pan. Carefully place your seasoned tuna steaks into the hot pan. Sear each side for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. This quick cook time is key for a beautiful rare to medium rare interior. Understanding doneness is vital for tuna steak. For a rare finish, the center will be cool and a vibrant deep red. If you prefer medium rare, the center will be warm and pink with a slightly firmer texture. Remember, tuna continues to cook slightly after being removed from the heat. Once cooked to your preference, transfer the tuna to a cutting board and let it rest for about 5 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a moist and flavorful steak. Finally, let's talk about serving your perfectly cooked tuna steak. Once rested, slice the tuna against the grain into beautiful half-inch thick pieces. This technique ensures tenderness in every bite. A simple drizzle of fresh lemon juice or a light soy ginger sauce complements the flavor wonderfully. Serve your tuna immediately alongside a crisp green salad, some roasted asparagus, or your favorite grain. Enjoy this quick, healthy, and incredibly delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.